So, hello friends. So, hello friends. So, since many of the viewers are asking about my strategy for RBI Grade B preparation, I thought I should make one dedicated video on this. Okay. So, I must honestly share that I find myself as lost. Okay, as lost in the preparation as you would be. Okay, but since I cleared few bank exams and I do have some clarity about the pattern of questions asked, so and basic sources for preparation, so I thought that okay, I should share my strategy. Okay, since many of you might be starting from the scratch, so that might help you. So I thought I should share my strategy. So the first thing that comes to my mind is and I know it should come in your mind too, that should I target 2024 exam or 2025 exam? Okay, because we have heard that RBI Grade B exam takes 8 to 9 months preparation. Okay, and now we are having only let's say 2 3 months or 4 5 months. I don't know when the notification will come and when the first, phase one will conduct, but we have comparatively less time. Okay, what we are supposed to have. So the first thing that comes to our mind is, should I target 2024 or 2025? Okay, look, I believe you are always have the time to prepare for the battle until the battle is over. Okay, I believe this. So I should say, since notification is not out, we don't know when exam will be conducted. So let's prepare for this year's exam. Okay, if we get through phase one, it's okay. We got some experience. If we don't get through phase one, we are in a better position to attend for 2025, of course. Okay, so in both the ways, preparing for 2024 is going to help us, so we will be preparing for 2024 only. Okay, so now I assume that exam would be at some time around August. Okay, I assume this. So, or the first week of or second week of September. So I will be planning accordingly. Okay, my plan will go accordingly. So first let's talk about phase one. Okay, see, for phase one, I should tell you that phase one is of 200 marks. Okay, someone who don't have any idea about this exam, I will tell you from the basics. So phase one is of 200 marks. Okay, and from the previous year's cutoff, we can see that the usually cutoff is around uh, 55 to 65. Okay, somewhere around this. So cutoff is very less. Okay, why it's so less? Because difficulty level is too high. And after giving the mock, I can say that yes, difficulty level is actually too high. The time is not sufficient to solve such questions. So it's all about the choice of questions and keeping the calm of mind at that time. Okay, so it's all about that. So but we are going to target 100 marks out of 200. Okay, since we don't know if the paper is moderate or the level of mock is moderate, we don't know what will be asked in the main exam, so we will consider 100 as our target. Okay, so phase 1 has four parts: GA, English, Quant, and Reasoning. Okay, so first let me talk about English because it's quite easier to say, it's quite easy. So, even if you are starting from basic and you don't have any idea about English, I would say you download the Yes Officer app, take the subscription, believe me, take the subscription. Okay, and just watch perfection class every day. Okay, it's 1 to 1.5 hours class is taken by Nimisha ma'am. Okay, so just do this and you are done with English. When you will start doing this perfection class, you won't be able to solve the questions. It's perfectly okay. Okay, the level of questions would be very tough, the vocabulary would be very tough, the uh, the paragraph would be very complicated. It's okay, you don't need to solve this. You just attempt the questions, see the explanation, then again solve it, and just do it. Devote 1 hour every day for this, and then see what happens after 2 to 3 months. Okay, because for English you don't need to start from the scratch. It's a language can't be start from scratch. We know ABCD of all the languages. Okay, we know the ABCD of English language, so we don't need to start from the scratch, because everyone had some knowledge about English. So just doing the class would do, so would suffice. Okay, i I have targeted 25 out of 30. Okay, your target may be less, let's say 15 or 20 out of 30. Okay, it's okay. If you target less in here, you must be better than me in English or in Quant or in GA. Okay, every person has their own strengths and weaknesses. So if even if you target 15 or 20 in English, you don't need to worry about it. Okay. So we are done with English. For GA, I have discussed this earlier also. You have three major pillars in GA. Okay. First of all, GA and reasoning are the main pillars. So you need to focus more on GA, devote much more time in GA and reasoning than any other topic, then followed by English and then quant. Okay. So for GA, we have three major parts: PIB, RBI circulars, and government schemes. Okay. For PIB, I will be doing from March. Okay. Whenever the notification comes, I will be covering the PIB news from March. Most of the MCQs will be covered from here. I'm giving you the guarantee. I have seen the past year papers and the type of questions asked. Most of the questions will be covered from PIB. The remaining questions will be covered from government schemes. Then comes RBI circulars, okay? And the few questions would be from sports and awards and everything. That if we get time, we can do this. Otherwise, we are going to skip this, because to answer one or two questions, we can't leave this portion of the this portion of the syllabus. Okay, this is the major part of the major part constituting the GA portion of RBI. Okay, it's not regular bank exam, so its current affairs are quite different from what is asked in normal bank exams. So we are covering from here only. Okay, PIP, RBI circulars, and government schemes. Okay, so I analyze the questions asked. They ask very weird question, very fact based, very weird type of questions. Okay, so after learning from after learning from the PIB and RBI circulars and everything, what we are going to do is we are going to solve a lot of MCQs. Okay, we are going to solve the type of question that can be asked from this news. Okay, solving it, the weird questions which are made from such news by the coaching channels, that we need to solve. Then we are going to, then we'll be prepared for this GA portion. Okay, and from where to cover PIB, just watch the Anuj Jindal channel PIB 247, and then learn PIB magazine provided by Anuj Jindal channel. Okay. For RBI circulars I'll be doing after just before the exam, because it doesn't take much more time. Okay, so much time. So I'll be doing from V Rasutosh sir's PDF provided just before exam. So RBI circulars are done, and watch videos from V Rasutosh sir's videos from Adda 247 channel. And for government schemes, someone suggested me to do from Vision IAS compilation. I tried to read the compilation, but it was too much for me. Okay, so I'll go for with the videos. Okay, I'm looking for some better option, because I was not able to read that bulky PDF, and it's so boring government scheme that I will see what I can do. Okay. So English is over, GA is over. Then for quant, if you are starting from the basic, okay, if you are starting from the basic, then you should watch a playlist Zero to Hero. Zero to Hero available on YouTube free of cost of Adda 247. ठीक है? Adda 247 channel. You can watch this playlist and then solve from Ace Quant book. PYQs, they have different levels, PYQ level and moderate level. Only these two portions of Adda 247 if you are starting from beginning. Okay, and if you have some knowledge in quant and you have cleared exam, you are a working aspirant like me, we can start from restart series, which is started on Adda 247 regulatory bodies channel by Rahul Meena sir. Okay, the level of questions are very good and the explanation is very good. So we will be doing from restart series videos from YouTube. Pause the video, solve, then see the explanation and move on. And other we can do is from sectional mocks. Okay, they provide good questions. Sectional mocks of Adda 247 or Olive Board is good. Olive Board is good. So this is it. And for reasoning we just need to solve good quality questions. Okay, now again for reasoning, if you are someone new for reasoning, then wait, if you are someone new and you don't have any idea about reasoning, so what you can do is you can I will talk topic wise. So for inequality we can watch Ankush Lamba sir's video. One is coded inequality, how to solve coded inequality video of 34 minutes on YouTube, and the other is normal inequality video where he gives you the shortcut to solve it through a door method. So I find this quite easy and means quite easy. This method is more helpful for me. So from there, okay. For blood relations, you can watch Nikita ma'am's or Puneet sir's. Better Puneet sir. Okay, so you can watch Puneet sir's video for blood relation from basic to advanced. Just type for basic to advanced video for blood relation by Puneet sir. So whatever you get, you watch that. Okay, blood relations inequality for input output. Okay, input output again, input output and Chinese coding. Chinese coding, Lamba sir, Ankush Lamba sir. Okay. For input output, watch Puneet sir. He shares a strategy where you can solve the different steps in your mind only. So this is good. Apart from this, what else? The major syllogism. Okay, for sylog you can cover from there. Saurabh sir's videos from Adda 247. Okay, so sylog from there. Then what else? Okay, this much. So I personally learned from these sources reasoning. So I'm sharing my sources. You can watch these videos if you find them helpful. Otherwise you can of course watch different videos and look for good for yourself. So this much. And for puzzles, if you are starting from the basic puzzles from the basic, you can watch Saurabh sir's Zero to Hero playlist. Okay, on YouTube. And then go to the advanced level slowly and gradually. Okay, and for to solve actual RBI grade B level questions. Okay, to solve RBI grade B level questions, I would prefer watching Nikita ma'am's channel. Neelam ma'am, Nikita ma'am from Olive Board, Neelam ma'am from Adda, and one more teacher from Adda where ultra level puzzles. He has a playlist called ultra level puzzles, so you can watch that playlist. The level of questions are very good. Okay. So this much for reasoning. For miscellaneous questions, you can solve the set, all paper set they provide. The full set they solve on YouTube. So you can watch their those series to solve alphanumeric series and different new pattern of questions. You can get an idea from there. So this much for phase one. Okay.